Hey guys, George of SoundTraxx here, and this week we want to bring you a great introduction to our newest team member. This is Graham Zielinski. Now, as many of you guys have known over the years, we've had Norman as our support department personnel. Now, he's left for other endeavors. He decided he wanted to go light up stages on cruise ships. I wish him the best. I don't know how that is better than model railroading, but hey, it's what he's looking forward to do. And honestly, it's what he went to school for. So we wish him all the best. But we did get younger and better at that position. We actually have Graham here, and Graham's a modeler himself. And he's a fairly young and enthusiastic, and he's a great quick learner. So you guys can bounce ideas off of him and ask questions. Graham, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and your modeling experience, and so that way the viewers can get to know you a little bit.
Sure. So I've recently just joined SoundTraxx as of 3 weeks ago. Very exciting. Before that, I attended college at UNM. Got my bachelor's in business administration, and for the 3 previous summers, I had been a tour guide for Holland America Princess Cruise Lines on the Alaska Railroad. They have some double-decker dome cars, and I was helping serve guests on the train there. So got a lot of customer service experience and a lifelong passion for trains, and I'm happy to be here at the company and start learning all new things and getting to help you guys all with your problems.
That's awesome. So I know you and I've already installed a couple of decoders in some of your models. Why don't you share some of that and let them know?
So the whole big thing is Blue Nami, of course, now. And I couldn't join the company and not own any Blue Nami models. So on my first week here, we had a Santa Fe U23B, put a current keeper in, Blue Nami, started getting familiar with that. And like last week, we just, George helped me figure out some lighting on a rail runner locomotive. We'll probably feature that in a podcast soon.
Yeah, I like that idea. So anyway, just kind of give you a background on Graham. He is a modeler, he's enthusiastic, but remember, he's still learning a lot. So he doesn't know everything, but he will be able to find the answers for you if he doesn't know it right off the top of his head. So guys, we want to welcome Graham to the team, and we look forward to helping answer questions, anything you need from us. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Now be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can get notified about riveting videos just like this one. But hit that notification bell so that you get notified every week when we post new videos, where we post content about various topics such as how to select the bell, how to select the horn, all the way up to including how to use the reverb and echo tools that you have in your Tsunami 2 and Blue Nami decoders, so that way you can get the most out of your decoder. And Graham will be here to help you if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.